Hello, in this video I'll be sharing my honest review of Discover Jeunesse and some clips from the event. When I first found out that I qualified to go on this trip, I was speechless. But then the fear started to set in. I couldn't get on a plane. I couldn't go to a different state. What if I got lost? And then I realized that being an entrepreneur, you have to step out of your comfort zone. So I set my fear aside, and then I started to get excited. I looked at it as a once-in-a-lifetime exciting opportunity to learn more about the company and team that I'm partnered with. I have never in my life had such an amazing and educational experience. Jeunesse not only paid for my round-trip flight and my hotel stay, but when I got to the airport in Florida, there was a driver waiting there for me to transport me for free to the hotel. The hotel was absolutely gorgeous, and when I got there, there were team members that I had been anxious to meet waiting there for me.
Miss Justine Hall is with her upline for the first time in history. 3 elite team, Discover Jeunesse. Let's run it. We got a few more people we got to connect with. Another one is on their way. They made that decision. It's going to be a fun day and a half to 2 days. And people, Bobby Fagan.
What's going on,
and
guys?
Justine Hall actually meeting their mentor for the first time in history.
First.
We spent a few hours that night getting to know each other and did a night owl session, which you can actually see part of in my why video over here. There was a bunch of people at the hotel for the event, and we actually got to meet some of the top leaders in the company. The following morning, we were bussed right down the road from the hotel to the global headquarters. I was already happy that I had partnered with this company because their vision so closely aligns with mine. But getting to tour the global headquarters and meet some of the creators of the products in person and getting to see everything up close and in person instead of across the computer screen, it was absolutely mind-blowing. So I feel that Discover Jeunesse is absolutely worth it, because the newest person can go, get information on the products, tour the headquarters, get to know some of the top leaders in the industry, in the company, and see the founders up on stage. Having this experience in person instead of seeing it on a YouTube video or even a promotional video is so much more powerful. If you're new to network marketing and looking to start your own home-based business, but you don't know where to start, partner with a company that has products already made for you. Jeunesse gives you the tools, products, and platform to help you become successful. For more information or to contact me directly, be sure to check the description box. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you know as soon as I upload a new video. And remember, have a great day, have a great week, and I'll see you next time.